Okay, Peter Johnson here from Comfort Zone Insulation. Just up on this roof, the guys have just installed 2 whirlybirds, and we've done the insulation in the ceiling. I normally don't recommend to put whirlybirds in at the same time, but if the customer wants them, we put them in. Now on this roof though, on my roof inspection, I noticed from the inside that this here is actually letting light in through a couple of these little holes here, right, on the sheets. So now you'd wonder why the silicon is across this sheet this way, except that if you look down there you can see there used to be a big tree there. So my guess is that that big tree landed on the roof here at some stage and torn a hole in the sheet or whatever, and they've just siliconed that sheet instead of repairing it. So it is actually leaking at the moment, so I'm going to put a little bit more silicone on it, which will last another couple of years, but that really should have that sheet replaced. Right. So that's why we check roofs out while we're up here. If you want a quote, just follow the links and we'll give you a quote for your insulation.